The AI talent shortage is a ticking time bomb that's affecting businesses worldwide. The demand for skilled AI professionals is skyrocketing, but the supply is dwindling. In fact, a recent survey revealed that 85% of businesses are struggling to find AI talent. This shortage is not only a challenge for businesses, but also a threat to the entire AI ecosystem. The consequences of this shortage are dire. Without enough skilled AI professionals, businesses will struggle to develop and implement AI solutions, leading to a significant decline in productivity and competitiveness. This, in turn, will have a ripple effect on the economy, leading to job losses and decreased economic growth. But what's causing this shortage? Is it a lack of interest in AI careers? Is it a lack of training programs? Or is it something more complex? To understand the root cause of this shortage, we need to take a closer look at the AI talent pipeline.
The AI talent pipeline is a complex system that involves multiple stakeholders, from educational institutions to corporate training programs. However, the current pipeline is flawed, and it's contributing to the talent shortage. For instance, many educational institutions are not providing students with the necessary skills to succeed in AI careers. This is because the curriculum is outdated, and it's not focused on the latest AI technologies. Furthermore, corporate training programs are also not doing enough to upskill existing employees. This is because they're often focused on short-term gains, rather than long-term investments in employee development. As a result, many employees are not equipped with the necessary skills to tackle AI-related tasks. To address this shortage, we need to revamp the AI talent pipeline. This requires a collaborative effort from educational institutions, corporate training programs, and governments. We need to invest in AI education and training programs that focus on the latest AI technologies. We also need to create more opportunities for upskilling and reskilling existing employees.
However, some experts argue that the AI talent shortage is not just a matter of supply and demand. They argue that it's also a matter of ethics and job displacement. With the rise of AI automation, many jobs are at risk of being displaced. This is a contentious issue, and it's sparking heated debates in the tech industry. Some experts argue that AI automation is a necessary evil. They argue that it will free up human resources to focus on more creative and high-value tasks. However, others argue that AI automation is a threat to human dignity. They argue that it will lead to widespread job losses and increased income inequality. To mitigate this risk, we need to have a more nuanced conversation about AI ethics. We need to consider the long-term implications of AI automation and develop policies that protect workers. This includes investing in education and retraining programs that focus on emerging technologies like Web3.
So, what's the future impact of the AI talent shortage and the integration of Web3 technology? Will it revolutionize the industry, or will it exacerbate the shortage? The answer lies in the development of Web3-based AI solutions. Web3 technology has the potential to bridge the gap between AI talent supply and demand. By leveraging blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized networks, Web3-based AI solutions can automate many tasks, freeing up human resources to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This, in turn, will lead to a significant increase in productivity and competitiveness. Businesses will be able to develop and implement AI solutions faster and more efficiently, leading to a significant boost in economic growth. Furthermore, the integration of Web3 technology will also lead to the creation of new job opportunities, such as AI trainers, Web3 developers, and blockchain experts.
In conclusion, the AI talent shortage is a pressing concern that's affecting businesses worldwide. However, with the integration of Web3 technology, we can bridge the gap and revolutionize the industry. If you're interested in learning more about Web3-based AI solutions, be sure to check out our next episode. And if you're a business leader struggling to find AI talent, we encourage you to reach out to us for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest AI trends and technologies. Thanks for watching.